Welcome to another episode of New Face Podcast. Network marketing's great value is its emphasis on not just having dreams, but actively living them. It encourages you to dream big, a refreshing contrast to traditional businesses that often prefer employees with modest aspirations, which can lead to a small life. A pivotal mental shift is moving from the limiting phrase, "I can't afford it," to the empowering question, "How can I afford it?" This simple change in language opens your mind to possibilities and trains you to believe your biggest dreams are achievable. Saying, "I can't," extinguishes a dream like a wet towel on a flame. Unfortunately, many people, often those who have abandoned their own dreams, unintentionally smother the ambitions of others with dream-killing phrases like, "That's too risky," or, "It's been tried before." You must protect your dreams from this negativity. By cultivating the habit of asking how, you empower yourself to dream bigger and build the life you truly want, rather than settling for the one you were told you could have.